Are you still adding your leads details in Google Sheets manually? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to sync Facebook leads directly to Google Sheets in seconds. So here I am running Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business, and here my objective is whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically and instantly I want to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So now here to automate the entire process, I will connect my Facebook lead ads with my Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that in this video we are going to learn how you can add your leads into Google Sheets instantly. So here on the screen you can see my Facebook page that I have with the name Natural Glow Skincare, and here I'm running some Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for my business. So now here, before talking about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually it works. So here to see the working of this automation, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to generate a test lead in my Facebook lead ad, and here to generate the test lead, let me take you to Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta. So this is Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta, and here I've selected my page, product and the form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as skin type, first name, last name, email and the phone number. So we're going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check our Google Sheets. And here you can see we have successfully received a new detail in our Google Sheets where we have received the first name, last name, email, phone number and the skin type of our lead. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation, and now we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your own business by simply connecting your lead gen application with your Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, but here before moving forward, let me tell you all about Pabbly Community. So this is the Pabbly Community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner, and then it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is new beta and the another one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says sync Facebook leads directly to Google Sheets in seconds, and then it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select it as per your requirement. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here as you all know that I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook lead ads and my app event as new lead instant. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this continue. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for your account credentials first. And when you're going to add the details, then automatically your account will get connected inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the page name and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Natural Glow Skin Care. So I'm going to select that particular page over here. And then it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So to get this lead gen form, let me take you all to my Meta Business Suite. So this is Meta Business Suite, and from here I'm going to select all tools. Now here in this all tools, I'm going to select instant forms. And here in the lead ads form, you can see the form that I've already created with the name Natural Glow Lead Ads form. You can create your own lead form as per your requirement. And in this case, I'm going to use this particular form. So I'm going to select this form from the drop down. So I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting the page name and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive this response in a simple and organized format. But here if you wish to receive this response in an advanced format, that means in an array format, then you can simply turn it off. Alright, then we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you all back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here in lead ads testing tool by Meta, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here. Then it says your lead has been deleted, so I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Now again I'm going to select my page that I've created with the name Natural Glow Skin Care, and then I'm going to select the product as lead retrieval and then form, and then I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the skin type, I'm going to select dry. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to add a random phone number. And then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. And you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the skin type. Here you can see the first name, last name, email address, and the phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly, I want to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here. And here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. And my app event as add a new row. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it's asking me to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So I've already created a spreadsheet with the name Facebook Leads. So I'm going to select that particular spreadsheet over here. And then we are going to select the sheet as sheet 1. And then here's asking me to add the first name, last name, email, phone number, and the skin type. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our Facebook lead ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the first name, I'm going to map the lead's first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. Here I'm going to map the email address. Here I'm going to map the phone number. And lastly, here I'm going to map the skin type. Then we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added all the details in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new detail in our Google Sheets where we have received the first name, last name, email, phone number, and the skin type of our lead. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So if we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through our lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead detail will be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the steps to how to sync Facebook leads directly to Google Sheets in seconds. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.